Good evening and namaskar. Today we'll see another company which has performed very well in Q2. We are actually covering those companies which have performed very well in Q2. Q2 is supposed to be just after the coming of Corona. So all the companies have not yet come out of Corona. Whichever has performed very well, those we are taking up in the hope that their future will be much better. Q3, Q4, etc. will also be much better. That's the hope. So we'll see a company called Rubfila, Rubfila, Rubfila. RUBFILA, Rubfila International Limited. Rubfila International Limited produces adhesives. What you add two things together. So that's called an adhesive. You paste something here, put, and both will stick to each other very strongly. So that is adhesive. Now, it is used in various industry segments like leather, footwear, tire retreading, wood, resin, foam, automotion, etc. Lot of products are there which are heat resistant and Adorex industrial resistant adhesives, etc. The management consists of Bharat J. Patel, Chairman, G. Krishna Kumar, Managing Director. Bharat Patel is Chairman, Krishna Kumar is the Managing Director. Now let's take a look at the quarterly results. Net sales are at 81 crores in Q2 FY21, latest quarter. Previous quarter 43 crores. Now 81 crores, previous quarter 41 crores. So quarter on quarter there is an improvement of 89%. And year ago quarter 61 crores. Now 81 crores, year ago quarter 61 crores. So there also there is an improvement of 33.28%. So year on improvement in net sales is 33.28%. And quarter on quarter improvement is even more impressive, 89.24%. Then we'll see final net profit. 9.8 crores in Q2 FY21. Previous quarter, COVID affected quarter, just 1.25 crores. Year ago quarter, 3.12 crores. So, year on year, from 3.12 to 9.8, 214% improvement. Quarter on quarter, even more, 1.25 to 9.8, 684%. See, quarter on quarter, COVID affected quarter, previous one. So, 684% may be okay. But year on year, 214%, that's very good. Sales also have improved year on year 33%. Net profit has also improved 214%. That's why we have taken up this company. Equity share capital is at 26.01 crores. Basic EPS on a face value of rupees 5 is 1.98. Here also 200% year on year improvement, 692% improvement on quarter. So net sales and final net profit improvement is very impressive in Q2. Now we'll have to watch Q3 and so on. Market price currently is at 57. Price earning is 7.2, so it is quite low. But you have to watch Q3. If it repeats Q3, it will have a bright future. Volumes are not low but not high, 13,300. So buying and selling, be careful. Not very high but not very low. On the basis of the current results, volumes are probably growing. 52-week low is 20 rupees only. 52-week high is 60 rupees. And current market price 57, very near to 52-week high. Now, currently, I told, see, the number of transactions volumes of transactions are slightly low. So technically you can say it is a little bearish. Market cap is around 300 crores, but performance is good. Now let us also take a look at the annual results for the last 4 years. 4 years before, 5 years before March 2016, 164 crores was the sales. It went on improving, 176 crores, 214, 213, now 227. So in 5 years, sales have improved from 164 to 227. Some improvement is there, good improvement is there. Net profit has improved from 8 crores 5 years ago to 15 crores now. But in between, in 1 year, it was 21 crores also. So net profit is okay, it's improving. So sales have been improving, net profits are not so bad, reasonably improving. Now cash flows are reasonably good from operating activities in the last year. We are not talking of the current year. March 2020 year, 37 crores. Investing activities are higher than that, minus 43 crores. Financing activity 6, so net cash flow is 0. Investment is very high. So Rufila is investing very highly. So probably it will fare well in the coming quarters or coming years. 3 years before the price was 84, then it came down. 2 years before 44, 1 year before it came down further to 31. So prices have been coming down in the last 3 years. It's only in the last 1 month the price has increased from 40 to 56. So watch out. Now it is a little upward mode, but will it go beyond this? We'll have to wait and see. But if it does well in Q3, definitely it will have a bright future. Now shareholding pattern, if you look at that, the promoters hold 61.2%. That's very good. Actually, they have improved in the last quarter from 59. Earlier it was 59.2. Now they have added another 2%, 61.2, 59.2 to 61.2 they have added. So they exhibited some confidence. Pledge is 0. Gross profit margin, operating margin, net profit margin, last year it was moderate. Gross profit margin 10%, operating profit margin 9%, and net profit margin around 7%. So moderate. Return on net worth 9.95. It has come down. ROCE has come down. Return on assets has come down. Okay, the last year. Now we are not talking of Q2 of this year. Last year it had come down. Now, if you look at the strengths of this company, promoters have increased their stake. Now price is at 52-week high. Q2 performance was very good. Net profit and net profit margin have gone up. Now company has got very low debt. It is improving its cash flows slowly, but it is spending a lot on investment. So expansion. 0 promoters pledge. So all these things are there. So think of what you can do with this. The company has got reasonable expansion schemes. Capital expenditure it is incurring. The gross fixed assets of the company last year stood at 153 crores. Capital additions were 37 crores last year. Addition of land some 9.66 lakhs, building 14 crores, plant and machinery 23 crores, and so on. So they say future prospects are good. Rubber thread market has been growing for the past few years. From 2013, company has expanded its installed capacity by 250%. Current capacity stands at 17,500 tons per annum. It is still, it is going to expand into international markets. So it is putting up one more plant at Tamil Nadu. Capacity 2,500 tons. expected to be commissioned by December 2020. So, company is expanding, latest performance is good, but we have to watch Q3 also. Now, if they say demand also is good, therefore, future is likely to be good. Latest performance is very good. Thank you for listening. I will come before you with another very good company. These are all companies to be watched. Whether you invest or not depends upon your portfolio, current portfolio, your capability to invest. But in an SIP mode, it is always good. Monthly, slightly. It has been you can see that the prices have been going up during the last 1 month because of the latest performance. So watch out, and if you are satisfied, go ahead. Now that there it has to be your decision. You must be satisfied. I have given you a lot of points here. You must analyze all of them with reference to your existing portfolio. If your existing portfolio contains better ones, keep them. If if your portfolio contains some duds or much inferior ones, then you can always change. Thank you for listening. I will be back with you with another very good company.